Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your GameSir onto your Nintendo Switch. Now this is going to be extremely simple, so follow along. The first thing that you want to do is to navigate through your GameSir controller, and on this method, you have to ditch the USB dongle because we won't be needing this for our Nintendo Switch. But what you have to do is to press on these two buttons simultaneously. These are going to be the main power button or the main button for your GameSir and the Y button right here. You want to press this for around 3 seconds, and basically from there, the light on the GameSir logo will then blink from time to time. This means that we have entered the Nintendo Switch pairing mode. From there, you then want to head over to your Nintendo Switch and basically just open up the controller setup settings, which will then look something like this. And so all you have to do on this page is to press the left triggers on your controller. That's going to be the L2 and the R2 for both controllers, as you can see right here. And after that, it will then link the controller onto our Nintendo Switch, enabling us to use our GameSir controller with our Nintendo Switch. And so, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.